everybody. My name is Mercy, and I am back with a little bit teaching about the heart sounds. So this is, as you can see, this is like just like a video of how the heart pounds, and just to have an idea of what happens. It's the right atrium, the left atrium, the ventricles, and as you can see, like when the valves are opening and closing. So that one is showing like the atrium, that's the right ventricle. So you can see how the valves are closing and opening. It's more like they do simultaneously. So yes, so when you have pulmonic, we have aortic, we have tricuspid, we have the mitral, and now if you look at it, you can see how they look at that. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. That is like, I just love like looking at all those things. So let's see where you can auscultate for this. So, and remember, for the heart sounds, when you auscultate for the heart sounds, you have to listen. If you want to listen for the murmurs, you have to listen with the bell. So that aortic one is when you listen on the right side on second intercostal space, and now this is the harmonic one. It's on the left side on the second intercostal. That's where you listen for the harmonic one. Now we'll see the other one. It's gonna be what's the next one? Yeah, so it's like aortic one is on the right, harmonic is on the left. The only difference is one is on the right, the other one is on the left, but on the same second intercostal. So that's the thing. And then we have this point, and now you can listen, and it's gonna show you like what to expect and how it should sound like. And if you have like murmurs and stuff, it's gonna tell you like, if you listen to the bell, you will hear the murmurs and the gallops and brooks and all that. But we'll come back to that later. So the heart is interesting. I always like studying about it. It's just so interesting. Let's you see that. So that is tricuspid area. It's like on the fourth left intercostal, and then we have this one. It's the mitral valve, which is on the fifth intercostal mid-clavicular. So how you get to that point is like just below the nipple line, and that's where your apical pulse is. So this is now the S3. You know, when you hear about the S3, think about Kentucky. That's what you're gonna hear. So on the left you have the normal, and then you have the abnormal on the right. So can you hear that? Kentucky, 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 Kentucky. That's how it sounds like. That's the S3. Kentucky, Kentucky, Kentucky. Yeah. And now we have this atrial gallop, which is the S4. So you're gonna hear about the Tennessee. That's how the S4 sounds like. And you will hear the difference between them. Listen to this. Listen. You see that is normal? Now listen to that one. Can you hear that? Tennessee. Can you hear it? Tennessee, Tennessee, Tennessee. You see? And then we have the signs like tachycardia. It's just tachycardia, as you know, is like when it's beating like above 100 and it's going like fast. You'll hear that. You see? It's just like it's just beating. The heart is just beating first. Nothing really fancy about it. Then we have the bradycardia. That's when it's like slow, and this one you'll find it on mostly the athletes, like the athletes, the ones that they run a lot, exercise a lot. Those are the people you'll find are like bradycardia. Unless they're symptomatic, then it has they have a problem. But if it's like just the sinus bradycardia, it's just mostly found on those people who exercise a lot. And you have this. Oh, this one is always like, oh, pericardial friction grab. So this is like, yeah, so this one is a little bit crazy one, but let's see. So that's the normal one. And you see that. Oof, oof, oof. And you hear that? It's like something is just grabbing on something. Yeah, it's gross. And then you have the mammals. So sometimes I will bring you something that like identify. See, that's a mama.